I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you don't get your backyard ready now, you're not going to make it in time for that Memorial Day party. The first step in our backyard transformation was marking off our new space's shape. Then we got to digging, and more digging. We removed the first layer of dirt and grass to create a solid dirt base. Once the shape was dug out, we added a layer of pea pebbles, then a layer of cardboard that acted as a weed barrier, and then decomposed granite. This was all to create a clean, level environment for our next step. After packing it down with a plate compactor that we rented for the afternoon, it was time to bring in the pavers. These oversized limestone pavers created the perfect, modern, high-end, outdoor restaurant feeling that we wanted. After finding the perfect pattern and spacing, we placed them over a bed of paver sand and made sure they were level. We made sure to fill in any gaps with sand to make sure the pavers were secure, sturdy, and didn't wiggle around when you walked on them. Then we laid down a weed barrier against the house, and then it was time for gravel. We used a dozen or so bags of black gravel to complement the slate pavers. This took 2 days of work, but man, did it turn out good. Now, the fun part, decorating. We headed to Overstock and found the perfect outdoor dining table from Safavia's large selection. The table, along with a few other finds, were delivered straight to the door, which made it feel like Christmas morning. Assembling it was super quick as the instructions were easy to follow, and the best part, no power tools required. Safavia's products are stunning and carefully crafted with the highest quality of natural wood, and this teak table was no exception. I mean, look at this thing. Once that was in place, we moved on to unwrapping the chairs to go with it. Yes, you heard me right, unwrapping, because they came fully assembled. We love that. The finishing touch was this gorgeous flower rack where I planted some fresh herbs and my favorite pink hydrangeas for some color. All that's left is to enjoy our new backyard oasis. So, what are you waiting for? Get ready for summer with Overstock's massive Memorial Day deals. Shopping is easy and shipping is always free. Shop the link and get started on elevating your outdoor space with gorgeous seating and quality rugs from Safavia that will have you counting the days to your first summer celebration. A special thanks to Overstock for sponsoring this video.